In this video, you'll learn how to add AI features to the web builder in just a few simple steps. You'll only need to create an OpenRouter account, top up your balance, generate an API key, and securely connect it to the web builder using an additional password layer for extra encryption and protection. Once setup is complete, you'll be able to use AI to generate content, translate text, modify sections and pages, create themes, customize fonts, and accelerate your website creation workflow. Let's get started. Head over to OpenRouter and create your account if you haven't already. Once your account is ready, add some credit to your balance so you can start using AI models inside the web builder. Next, click on Get API Key, then press the New Key button to generate a new API key. Give your API key a recognizable name so you can easily identify it later. Before creating the key, make sure to configure a usage limit. This step is extremely important for security reasons. We strongly recommend setting a very low limit, such as $1, and only increasing it manually when needed. This helps protect your balance in case the API key is accidentally exposed, stolen, or compromised through something like a cross-site scripting attack or other security issue. For the expiration setting, we'll leave it set to no expiration. You can choose to add an expiration date if you prefer, but keep in mind that once the key expires, you'll need to repeat this entire process and generate a new one. Now click Create, then copy the API key you just generated. Once that's done, open the Web Builder app and go to Account Settings. Select the active license you want to use with AI features. Then click Add New API Key. Before continuing, make sure to carefully read all terms and conditions. Then click Continue. Now enter a name for your API key. Paste the key you copied from OpenRouter and protect it with a password. This password adds an extra layer of encryption and security. You'll only need to re-enter it when logging in from a different browser or after clearing your browser data. Click Save Key. Your API key is now securely saved and automatically selected since it's currently the only key connected to your account. You can also add multiple API keys to the same license. This is especially useful if the license is shared with multiple accounts and you want each account to use its own API key. Or if you only want certain users to have access to specific AI credits. You can now close the account settings window and start using AI features directly inside the web builder. That's it! You have just learned how to connect AI features to the web builder using OpenRouter, securely configure your API access, and start using AI tools to speed up content creation, styling, and overall website development. With everything set up, you can now build websites faster